Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here. I've gotten a few questions about what my groceries looked like as I was losing 100 pounds on a plant-based diet. And so I thought I'd bring you into my kitchen and show you just a few things, a few of the staples that I make sure I always pick up when I'm at the grocery store that have helped me lose weight, keep it off, and live so much more healthfully. So first off, we're gonna start with breakfast. Some of my staples for breakfast are, of course, bananas. Now, these are not just a breakfast staple, these are a breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and a snack staple, but I always pick up somewhere around 10 to 25 pounds of bananas every single week. So I eat a lot of bananas, and I like to go with the organic bananas because they're a little bit more expensive, but they're one of the things that's not a big price difference, so I always go with the organic. And then oats. Now, I haven't made any oat videos or oatmeal videos yet, but when I do, you will surely be one of the ones to know it. But I eat a lot of oats. Oats are a great breakfast. They fill you up. A ton of fiber, a ton of protein, a ton of carbohydrates. Really a perfect breakfast. And then, as most of you know, I also eat celery every morning. Now, this is something that I eat, the first thing when I wake up is celery, because I find that if I don't have something that's like a green leafy vegetable or a celery, then instead of eating like one bowl of oatmeal, I'll have 3 or 4. So, especially if you're trying to lose weight, I love the celery. And what goes along with the celery is the low-fat peanut butter. Now, this is the brand that I love to use. It's got no added salt or sugar. It's a defatted peanut powder. It's from Protein Plus. It's just peanuts that have been defatted. It's got over 85% less fat than normal peanut butter. I love this stuff. We use it. We go through quite a bit of it. It is great, especially as someone who used to love peanut butter, but it's so high in fat that it's tough to lose weight if you're eating those nut butters. So going on to lunch, as a lot of you know, I eat 2 salads every single day before my lunch and before my dinner. And if you want to see how I make my Southwest spinach salad, you can check right above and it'll be right there for you. But my spinach that we get, you can get it if you don't like using the plastic, which I don't, but so you can go to your local grocery store and get a couple pounds of it. Or Aldi's has spinach in these 8-ounce bags that work great too. This is one of the cheapest options for something that is a really good thing to be eating if you're trying to lose weight, and that is green leafy vegetables. It doesn't matter if it's spinach or kale, it's just find one that you love and eat it. And then going along with that, I also eat a lot of beans. We eat a ton of beans in our house. Black beans, pinto beans. Now, I would recommend that if you do not have an Instant Pot, and if you are wanting to lose a lot of weight on a plant-based diet, I would highly recommend you invest in getting an Instant Pot, because there is so much you can do with it. And one of the best things is you can take dry beans and get perfectly cooked beans in 30 minutes. And right above you'll see a couple different recipes that I have for black beans, pinto beans, chickpeas. It's just fantastic. And what I do with those beans once I cook them is we put them in these glass refrigerator safe containers that we get from IKEA that have a bamboo lid, so they're pretty neat. But we always have a couple types of beans in our fridge at all times. And then we also have sweet potatoes. Now, I've got some family members that over the course of a while, they've noticed how many sweet potatoes that I eat, and I eat a lot of sweet potatoes. And so I've actually gotten the nickname sweet potato from some people. But this is such a great food. You look at like the Blue Zones, you look at the Okinawans. Sweet potato makes up the majority of their diet. These are people that live 100 years. So the more sweet potatoes you can eat, the better, to a degree, but I definitely would like to recommend that you add in some sweet potatoes in your diet. And then rice. We eat a lot of rice, and we love these glass containers. They're 32-ounce, just ball jars that, as you can see here, we've got all of our dry goods in. But rice, we eat a lot of rice. Man, we have it with beans. We have it, and I put it in the salad sometimes. I make my bean burgers with it. We do a lot with it. But these are really the bulk of my shopping when I go to the grocery store. I'm buying beans, dry beans. I'm buying rice. I'm buying bananas, celery, some oats, some potatoes. But that's really the base of it. There's some sauces. I'll put sriracha and things on it. But the majority of my diet, which is a high carbohydrate, low fat, plant-based diet that again has helped me lose over 100 pounds, is a few things. I try to keep it very simple. I do like to change it up a lot, but the majority of my diet are rice, beans, potatoes, bananas, celery, oats, the staple foods that you can go and get anywhere, very cheaply priced, and they can help you too lose a ton of weight with ease on this plant-based diet. And most of all, you don't have to worry about it and you can keep it off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful to some of you guys out there saying, oh, I want to lose weight, I'm going vegan, I want to do a plant-based diet, and I'm going to the grocery store and there's a million options. So what do I choose? So I hope this helped you guys out. If it did, hit the like button. If you want to see more plant-based videos just like this one, seeing some recipes, some things going on our acre vegan farm, hit the subscribe button. I am Plant-Based Gabriel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a fantastic day.